Grab the eggshells from about 5 or 6 eggs and place them in a glass bowl. Now, take a 200 milliliter bottle of cola and pour it right over the eggshells. Next, transfer the eggshells and cola mixture into a blender. Blend it all together until it becomes a smooth liquid mixture. Once blended, pour the mixture back into a clean glass bowl. Now, grab a bottle of liquid detergent and add a small amount directly to the bowl. Add a small amount of water to the bowl next. Mix everything together thoroughly until all the ingredients are well combined. Now, with the help of a funnel, pour the mixture into an empty plastic bottle. Burnt pots and pans are one of the toughest things to clean in any kitchen. We've all struggled with scrubbing endlessly and still seeing those stubborn black stains sticking around. Just apply a small amount of this natural cleaner to your pot or pan and gently scrub. The fine particles from the eggshells create a natural abrasive effect, making rough contact with the metal surface to help lift off those stubborn stains effortlessly. You'll be amazed as the burnt stains disappear with minimal effort.